Okay guys, welcome to another tutorial, and in this we're going to look at SVGS, which is Scalable Vector Graphics. So basically it's just like a PNG file or a JPEG file, but the only difference is when you run through an SVG, an image, it's a sharper image, and when you scroll in on it, zoom in on it, you will see that it doesn't lose any of its sharpness, okay? So if you were doing this, we start off and say, there's the width of my canvas, right? There's my SGB, 500 by 500, right? Now to do a line, we got an X coordinate and we got a Y. So that means we're coming in 160 and down 150. So there's my starting point. X2 and Y2 is where I'm going to end my end point, okay? Stroke, as we know, we're given a stroke of orange, there's the colour. The width of it is 3, then we close it, right? There's a rectangle, so we come in at 50, down at 50, give it a colour yellow. There's our width and height, and then we close it, okay? Now for a circle we use a different one. We use CX and CY, okay? Which means the centre. That's not the starting point, but this here 300 is the centre of the circle, right? So we're going to centre this 300 by 300, which is say from here 300, 300, we get our centre point, right, for the circle. Okay, we have a radius, we have a colour, a stroke, and the width of our stroke width. Again, I've done it here again just to show you another rectangle. So if we're to run that and launch this in Firefox, we should be able to see all these things coming up. If it's not too slow, which it might be. Sometimes Firefox can be slow. Or Google, whatever the search engine. But here we go. Now, scale, there we go. There's my title. There we go. There's my line. Okay. Now there's my circle, as I said. So she's in the 300 and she's down here. That's to the center here. There's another small circle, and there's the rectangle we drew. So they're SVGs. There's a lot more to SVGs. I'm just doing through HTML just to show you. And you can see how sharp they are. It's much sharper than a JPEG or whatever else you would do a PNG image, okay? So the next one we start looking at maybe doing this through a path instead, okay? So take care. See you next one. Bye bye.